Reaching FTC4 production. Welcome back, my sisters and brothers from my different worlds. Thank you for that eternal support. Thank you for the unquestionable loyalty. Thank you for your eternal warmth. Coming back with friendship and respect. So many words that I want to express how grateful I am for my audience, for all of you, for coming back, for keep us united, the working class community, low income people, coming in here for a dream, because you know and you recognize that this channel is one of yours. Here to look for stuff to make you a better person, to make you a better professional, to help you build your portfolio, to help you earn things. But as a whole, the best of everything, you'll get it in here for free. Yes, FDC4 Production is a channel that is not here to sell things to you or to get money away from you. It's here to provide you certain intel that many of you tend to pass over yourself and don't get access to. Information is power, and it used to be segregated by a chunk of elite back in time. But that's things are back in time, and it's past tense. Today, thanks to technology which is in our side, we have access to all this type of information. You just gotta get in and look for them. Unfortunately, due to their routine and the lifestyle that we have, many of us don't tend to come across with certain information like the one I'm gonna provide you right now in your entire lifetime. This is why a channel like this is really important, because it cares about all of you and bring this type of information. If you think it's not necessary for you, but you know somebody who can take advantage of something like this, please bring it on, because this is a life-changing opportunity. That's the reason why I'm doing it. Lately I was doing airdrops, but I really like to mix things around. I mean, scholarships are always important, especially for our community. Allow me to introduce you a very important scholarship program from Visa University. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Visa Dispute Resolution Professional Certification Scholarship at Visa University. Capone. Yes, I saw this scholarship program. I know. I was doing, airdrops, but I was like, I cannot let this one pass. It's an important one, and it already came to my alarm system, so I wanted to share it with all of you. Let me tell you a little bit about the program information. Dispute resolution professional plays a critical role in the payments industry. And if you're interested in a career in financial services, a job as a dispute resolution professional is a great place to start. The Visa Dispute Resolution Professional Certification Scholarship, that was long, provides an opportunity for individuals to receive a certification with not out-of-pocket cost. I repeat, the Visa Dispute Resolution Professional Certification Scholarship provides an opportunity for individuals to receive a certification with no out-of-pocket cost. Do you want me to repeat this again? Because I can, and I want to. You know what? I'm gonna do it one more time. The Visa Dispute Resolution Professional Certification Scholarship provides an opportunity for individuals to receive a certification with no out of pocket cost. No out of pocket cost. That's the way FTC for production rolls, for free. Depending on work and life schedules, certification can take between 12 to 18 months. However, individuals are often able to find jobs during the certification process. Recipients of the scholarship may be introduced to visa clients in the payments industry to obtain an entry-level professional position, which I see absolutely fine. And let me tell you something. The majority of these type of jobs, you get to do it from home. You're gonna have a small station. You don't need to travel. You don't need to be paying gas, tolls, in time, stress, or waking up and getting dressed early to travel to a particular building. Normally, these type of jobs are being done from home due to the new normal that we live in. But again, I might be mistaken, but I gotta tell you, it's an opportunity. It's a really great opportunity, and these are really cool. All right. So, to help develop this important part of the financial services workforce, Visa is offering a scholarship for hundreds of people to participate in the Visa Dispute Resolution Professional Certification Program. If you are 18 years old or older and are not currently working in the financial services industry, you could earn a scholarship that covers the cost of your professional certification. These certifications are really expensive, and this only doesn't help you or teach you to deal with dispute when it comes on the payments financial sector. It helps you more than that. It helps you to gain that confidence to interact with any individual. It doesn't matter the race or ethnicity or if it's older than you or background. No, it just helps you to become a leader, somebody that know how to a break dealer. It helps you a lot of good skill, people skills that probably you don't have, or you have buried someplace in your system. And this certification will help you to develop that. And when you start to work and talking to people, in my case, I am a talker. I have that naturally. I work for a call center as well. I mean, it's in me. But some of you, a position like this can help you to improve your life in different way imaginable that you don't even have idea can help you with. The program is accepting application now through August 31st of 2023. So you have a year ahead of time. Or once the 330 applications are approved, whichever occurs first. You don't need to be a rocket science student to understand that a certification scholarship program like this one won't last long. You don't have to wait until 2023 to get this expired. This 330 applications should be almost there, because it's a great opportunity. People know how to take advantage of things like this. Alright? Now, do you want to know more about this? Alright, let's go to the website right here. Get to know Visa University, meet the Visa leaders and industry experts who will help you grow your payments career and receive answers to your frequently asked questions. I could actually hit the video in here, but FTC for Production channel is allergic to the YouTube algorithm system. I'm sorry, playing this because I know I'm gonna get hit. So I rather prefer to respect the YouTube guideline, community guideline, and just leave this away. Yes, stay away. Now, if you really want to see this video, I am gonna put the URL down below the video description. I am not scared that I'm gonna get hit with a scam on this URL. I know this is a legitimate one. It's the Visa University. It's a company that I already researched, and I know it works. It's good. It's been there for many years. Now, as your learning and professional development partner, their goal is to help you to get the training you need to be successful in your role. Whether you're new to payments or a subject matter expert, they offer training for every stage in your career. Their courses are designed to provide you with both depth and breadth of knowledge in a number of topics relevant to today's payment professionals. For example, we have dispute resolution, fraud, operation, payment landscape, and portfolio management. At Visa University, you can choose when, where, and how to learn. Their engaging, interactive training uses modern platforms and technology designed to help you develop the skills and expertise you need to drive the result for your organization. Their training was built to meet a variety of needs. They offer open enrollment courses where you can exchange ideas and knowledge with peers from different companies around the globe, and private training so you can apply learning concepts directly to your organization's needs and strategy. They support financial institutions of all sizes across all time zones and in multiple languages. Interesting. Their faculty consists of some of Visa's most tenured and experienced professionals, as well as experts from around the payment industry. They work together to create a curriculum that is relevant to the needs of today's payment professionals and reflect the latest industry trends and best practices. For over 15 years, they have provided payment professionals with the tools and training they need to get the result they seek. It's also why they have received numerous awards and recognitions which highlight excellent in employer-sponsored training and development programs and recognize the tens of thousands of individuals who have trusted them during the professional development journey. You know what? I'm gonna leave it up to this point. I don't want to feed you with too much intel and get you asleep. But know this, I'm gonna put both the website about Visa University and also about the scholarship that we already reviewed right here, the Visa Dispute Resolution Professional Certification Scholarship Program, down below to my video description. If you have concern, questions, or any dispute that you want to actually go over with, please email at visauniversity@scholarshipofamerica.com. I mean, the main URL of this page, I'm going to put it down below. You can come in here and check it out. There's phone numbers actually writing down below. You can see it down there as well. You can actually come in here and check it out. All right. This program is administered by Scholarship of America. I have to let you know that and make a notation. FTC4 production is not being sponsored, and we don't get paid. We don't get anything from Visa University or Scholarship of America. The main goal of presenting this opportunity and bring it to your daughter's doorsteps is to help you to give back to the community. A job like this is a life changing. A certification like this not only improve you as a professional, but as well as a person. This is not only to help you to deal, to become a deal breaker on the payment industry. I mean, if you work in a bank, this will help you a lot as a banker, as a teller. I mean, to interact more with people. This actually help you for real to deal in home with your children, with your wife, friends. You can actually become a better speaker. I mean, you learn this certification. You can actually apply that to yourself on your daily basis. It's beyond a profession. It will build you. It will craft you into somebody new. And during these pandemic times, they can take the advantage of the time that you have to build yourself, invest in yourself on things like this. And these are not costs, it's for free. Visa is a great, reputable institution. They have university. Take advantage of that and you will go for it. It's for free. What can you lose? Do you work in a different industry? They are telling you you don't need to be experienced into this. They'll teach you. That's what they do for a living. Please stop procrastination. This is a great opportunity. This is even better than the airdrops that I bring you sometimes. That's why I decided to bring it on, because that's what this channel is about, bringing you feel cool stuff that you may take advantage with. All right. Concern about this? Don't you agree with me on this? Please write me down below the reasons why you think that this is not a great opportunity. Share it with me. Did you apply for it? Did you go for it? Share that with me as well. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give me some subscriptions, and that way I know that what I'm bringing you is actually of value to you, and I can continue bringing you stuff like this. All right. If you believe that this doesn't apply to you, but you know somebody who can take advantage of this, forward this video to this person so that person can actually take advantage of that as well. Let's help each other out. There are a lot of great opportunities out there. You just gotta know how to get them, and I'm just giving you one of them right now. Thank you for reaching FTC4 production. I'll see you until the next video. I hope that you like it. If you didn't like it, still smash the subscribe button and the like button, and that way you can demonstrate everyone around you that even though you don't like somebody, even though you don't like FTC4 production, you're still capable to give love and some likes and subscription. But know something, I do love you and I want the best of you. I want to provide you the best and give back. And this is the way of doing it. I hope it helps. God bless you.